Hit the blue flag.
You ready? Remember, we go baby step, big step, okay? Perfect. It's good. That's a little wide. You're almost doing the split. Okay, grip down on it. Got right here. Perfect. Hot dog in the bottom. I want to see no hot dogs falling out. You're done. Good shot.
Good shot.
All right. Colleen, did you hit a good one? Noah, did you hit a good one? Okay, yeah, I'm going to help you. You want to hit another one, Noah? Was that good?
Take it easy, man.
Okay. All right.
No, hit one more. Hit a good one. Put your railroad tracks. Put the pin closer. Put the tee closer to your railroad track.
Okay. Just like this, okay? All right. Get your good railroad tracks going.
How you doing today?
I'm doing well, man. How are you?
Good. Looking good.
Thank you. Let's get into that blue flag.
Scoot back just a little bit.
That's your target.
Perfect.
One more. Put it on. Make sure it's off your front, off your left foot. One more. One more. One more. One more. Put it off your left foot. Okay. Line it up off of this foot right here. One more.
All right, Noah, you ready? You get a good one in, friend? Up high.